अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि ताला वबरकातुह।
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
So, brother and sisters, yesterday we have learned part first of the lesson number 9. Today, inshallah, we will complete this lesson and we will learn about the second part of this lesson. Our yesterday lesson was about the Naat and Manut. Today, we will learn about the Ismul Mawsul, the relative noun. Allazi is called the relative pronoun. In Arabic, we call it al-Ismul Mawsul. So what is the definition of the Ismul Mawsul? It is translated as who for all rational beings and which for all irrational beings and things. So if there is rational things like human, like the angels, like jinn, so they are the rational beings. We translate it as who. And if there is about the things or about the animals, and we will translate Allazi as which. It is used for masculine singular. There are many Ismul Mawsul in the Arabic. Allazi is one of those. Allazi is used for the masculine singular. It is not used for the feminine, it is not used for the plural, and it is not used for the dual. This is only used for the masculine singular. About the feminine, plural, and dual, we will learn in next lessons. So in the sentence, there are two parts, Ismul Mawsul, and the other is Silatul Mawsul. So Silatul Mawsul is that the description of something is being narrated. In this part of the sentence, the description is being narrated. So this part is called Silatul Mawsul. There is an example. So by example, it will be more clear for you. Ar-Rajulul Lazi. So Ar-Rajulul Lazi, the man who. Ar-Rajulu, the man. Allazi who. So Allazi is Ismul Mawsul. The man who kharaja min al-ghurfati tajirun. The man who left the room is a merchant. So in this sentence, Allazi is who and this is Ismul Mawsul. And after the Ismul Mawsul, this is his description. Description is being described here. Kharaja min al-ghurfati, went out from the room. So this is the job, this is the work he is doing. So this is the description. And we say it Silatul Mawsul. The man who went out from the room is a merchant. Al-Kitabul Lazi, the book which, this is irrational, so we will translate it which. The book which alal maktabi lil mudarrisi. Kitabullahi alal maktabi. So the book which is on the table belong to the teacher. Lil mudarrisi, we have learned in the previous lesson about the use of the li. Li we use for the to it shows the relation. It shows the you can say possession. So the book is belong to the teacher. It shows the belonging of the thing. So Allahi, the upper sentence we translate it as who, and the below sentence we translate as which. For rational things we will translate who, and for irrational things we will translate which. The man is a merchant. Ar-rajulu tajirun. So ar-rajulu is mubtada, tajirun is the khabar. The man is a merchant. So this is khabar here. Ar-rajulu mubtada and manut. This is the mubtada and the manut. At-tawilu, this is the naat, this is the sifat, or this is the adjective. Yesterday we have learned about this. The man is man'ut, at-tawilu is naat, tajirun is khabar. Ar-rajulu tawilu, the tall man, is a merchant. So the man who left the room, Ar-rajulul ladhi kharaja min al-ghurfati tajirun, allazi is ismul mawsul, and it is also the naat, it is also the shift. A man who went out from the room, allazi is also ismul mawsul, and allazi is also adjective, or this is also the shift or naat. In this lesson, this is part B, we will learn about adjective qualifying a definite noun. Ainal mudarrisul jadidu. Where is the new teacher? Al mudarris, the teacher, al is definite. The teacher is definite. Yesterday we have learned that if the manut is definite, the naat will also be the definite. For the definite, we cannot use naat indefinite. For definite manut, we will use the definite naat. For indefinite manut, we will use the indefinite naat. If we say it like this, Ain al mudarrisu jadidun, so this is the wrong, because al mudarrisu is the definite and jadidun is indefinite. So this will be wrong. Yesterday we have learned about this. The second thing is relative noun allazi. If it refers to a human being, it is to be translated who. So it is the same thing that if it refers to the rational things like human being, like angels, like jinns, so it is to be translated who. And if it refers to the irrational things like animals or like things, so it will be translated as which. So this is the same pattern of the example. Ar-rajulul ladhi kharaja, the man who went out. Ar-rajulul ladhi kharaja, so we will translate the man alladhi who kharaja min al-masjidi, went out from the masjid. Al-ana tajirun shahirun, so the proper sentence will be like this: Ar-rajulul ladhi kharaja min al-masjidil ana tajirun shahirun. We will read it together. Minal masjidil ana tajirun shahirun. The man who went out of the mosque just now. Al ana, just now, is a famous teacher. Tajirun shahirun, famous teacher. Shahirun means famous. Al baytul ladhi. Al bayt, this is irrational thing. This is the name of the material. So we will translate Allazi, which. Al-baytul ladhi, the house which is amam al-masjidi, in front of the masjid. The house which is in front of the masjid, lil imami, belongs to the imam. The house which is in front of the mosque belongs to the imam. So this is irrational al-baytu. We translate Allazi, which. We are learning the use of the li. Note that li is used with the noun having al, and alif of al is omitted. So if we use li is we use to show the possession of the thing to someone. Li is show the belonging of the person. So this house belongs to the imam, lil imami. Imam is definite tense, and there is alif lam. So if li is used with the definite tense which have alif lam, we will omit the alif. The alif before the alif lam, we will omit, and we will place here li. It will be al-imamu, it will be lil imami. Lil imami, for the imam, belongs to the imam. Lil imami belongs to the imam. Same here, al-mudarrisu, this is the definite marfa. So we will omit alif and we will place li, and it will be lil mudarrisi. Second thing is in the. In the mean with. The noun following, it has kasra. So in the, it will give kasra to the following noun. And because it is mudaf ilay. Because of the mudaf ilay, we will give it kasra. Al mudarrisu indal mudiri, the teacher is with the headmaster. About the mudaf and mudaf ilay, we have learned last week in very detail. So you have a very clear concept of the mudaf and mudaf ilay. So it will be majroor here. This is a vocabulary we will learn in this lesson. Al-maktabatu, library. Al-madrasatu sanwiyatu, secondary school. Al-ana, now, just now. Al-wazir, the minister. Adun, shop. There, hunaka, as-suku, market. Al-mustawsufu, clinic or small hospital. Al-mirwatu, mirwahatu, fan. Al-kuwaitu, Kuwait. Indonesia. Ashare street. Ashareu street. So this is our lesson. Ainal mudarrisu. Where is the teacher? Huwa fil fasli. He is in the class. Wa ainal mudarrisu. And wa ainal mudarrisul jadidu. And where is the new teacher? Al mudarrisul jadidu. So the naat and manut, they are the nakra, they are the marfa, they are the definite. So for definite, we have the definite naat. Al mudarrisul jadidu. Huwa indal mudiri. He is with the principal. He is with the principal. So al mudir, it will take us right, will majroor because of inda. Aina talibul jadidu. Where is the new student? Zahaba ilal maktabati. Zahaba ilal maktabati. He went to the library. And ila, this is the jar, and al maktabati, it will be majroor. He went to the library. Zahaba ilal maktabati. Next is man zalika rajulu tawilul lazi kharajal ana minal madrasati. Man zalika rajulu, who is that man? Man zalika rajulu tawilul lazi, who is that tall man? Allazi, who kharajal ana, who went out just now, minal madrasati, from the school. Who is that tall man who went out from the madrasa, from the school just now? So Allazi, this is Ismul Mosul. We will translate it who, because Rajulu, this is rational. This is human being, and human being are rational. Huwal mudirul jadidu. He is new principal. Al mudiru, this is the definite. So the naat will be also the definite. Manut is definite, naat will also be the definite. Masuf is definite, sift will also be the definite. Al mudirul jadidu. The new teacher. He is a new teacher. Waminil waladu saghirul lazi farajal ana min fasli. Waminil waladu saghirul lazi. Who is that small boy? Who is the small boy? Allazi, who kharajal ana, just now went out, minal fasli, from the class. So who is the boy? Who is the small boy who went out from the class just now? So this is a way how we use the Ismul Mawsul. Who is the small boy, which is went out from the class. Wabnul mudiril jadidi. Wabnul mudiril jadidi. He is the son of new principal. This is Wabnul mudiril jadidi. In this, there is the mudaf and mudaf ilayh, and there is the naat and manut. Ibnul mudir, this is the mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Al mudirul jadid, this is the naat and manut. Next is liman tilka sayaratu jamilatu. Liman tilka sayaratul jamilatu. This beautiful car belongs to, that beautiful car belongs to who? Liman means belongs to who? Tilka, that, liman tilka sayaratul jamilatu, that beautiful car belongs to who? Hiya lil mudiri. So before the this is al mudir, we omit alif and we place here lam. So hiya lil mudiril jadidi, that belongs to the new principal. It belongs to the new principal. Liman hazal kitabul kabiru. This big book belongs to who? Liman hazal kitabul kabiru. This big book belongs to who? Huwa lil mudarrisi. Is it belongs to the teacher? Huwa, is it lil mudarrisi, belongs to the teacher? La. Huwa lit talibil jadidi. So we omit alif here and we place here lam. Huwa lit talibil jadidi. No, it belongs to the new student. Ainal mil'iqatu saghiratu. Ainal mil'aqatu saghiratu. Where is the small spoon? Mil'aqatu, spoon, saghiratu, small. Where is the small spoon? Hiya fil kubi. It is in the glass. It is in the cup or in the glass. Hiya fil kubi. It is in the cup or in the glass. Ainal kursiyul maksuru. Ainal kursiyul maksuru. Where is the broken chair? So al kursiyu, this is the definite. We use here the definite, not or manut or adjective. Al kursiyu. So for al kursiyu we use al maksuru, broken. Ainal kursiyul maksuru. Where is the broken chair? Huwa hunaka. Hunaka means there. It is there. So this is our lesson, and now this is the exercise. अत्तालिबुल जदीदु फिल मुस्तशफा वत्तबीबुल कदीमु फिल मुस्तौसफी. At-tabibul jadidu, the new doctor, is in the hospital. Wat-tabibul kadimu fil mustawsafi, and the old doctor is in the clinic. At-tabibul jadidu, the new doctor is in the hospital. Wat-tabibul kadimu fil mustawsafi, and the old doctor is in the clinic. Al-qalamul maksuru alal maktabi. Al-qalamul maksuru, the broken pen. The broken pen alal maktabi is on the table. Al-mirwahatul jadidatu fil ghurfatil kabirati. Al-ghurfati, this is majroor because of the fi. Fi is a preposition, harf jar. Al-ghurfa is majroor. So al-kabiratu will also be majroor, because naat and manud have the same case. So fil ghurfatil kabirati. Al-lughatul arabiyatu sahlatu. Al-arabiyatu sahlatu. Al-lughatul arabiyatu sahlatun, because the sahlatun don't have alif lam. Al-lughatul arabiyatu sahlatun. Al-waladu tawilul lazi, the tall boy. Al-waladu tawilul lazi, the tall boy. Allazi, who kharaja min al-fasli, who went out from the class. Al-ana, just now. Talibun min al-kuwaiti, min al-kuwaiti, the tall boy who went out from the class just now is from Kuwait. Min al-kuwaiti is from Kuwait. So Allazi, this is here in this sentence is used for the rational. So we will translate it. Who? The next is ana fil madrasa tisanviyati. Fi is a harf jar preposition. So al madrasa, it will be majroor, and because of the manut, the naat or the shift will also be majroor. So it will be ana fil madrasa tisanviyati. So ending of the sifat or naat, it will be same with the manut. If al madrasatu, it will be as-sanviyatu. If al madrasata, it will be as-sanviyata. If al madrasati, so it will be as-sanviyati. So in this sentence, al madrasa is majroor because of the harf jar. So it's not have also the same case. Ending will be same. Ana fil madrasati sanviyati, I am in the secondary school. Zahabar rajulul fakiru ilal waziri. Zahabar rajulul fakiru, the poor man went to the minister. Ar-rajulu, so its not is al-fakiru. The man is the poor. So ar-rajulul fakiru. So they have the same case, same ending. Zahabar rajulul fakiru ilal waziri. the poor man went to the minister. Jalasat talibul jadidu, talibul jadidu. So it has the same, and this is manut, and this is al jadidu is not. So both are nakra, both are singular, both are definite, and both are majroor. We judge the Naat and Manut. We have learned 4 rules yesterday. Khalafa Hamidin. Jalasat Talibul Jadidu, the new student, Khalafa Hamidin, is sitting behind the Hamid. The new student is sitting behind the Hamid. Khalafa, because of the Khalafa, it will be Majroor Hamidin. We have learned about the Mudaf Mudaf alayh, and we have learned preposition, and we have learned about the Zarful Makan and Zarful Zaman. So Khalafa Tahta, this is Zarful Makan. Khalafa Hamidin. As-Sikinul Kabiru Hadun Jiddan. As-Sikin means knife. As-Sikinul Kabiru, the big knife, Hadun Jiddan, is very sharp. Hadun Jiddan is very sharp. Man hazal waladul kasiru, who is this small boy? Who is this short boy? Al kasiru means short. Who is this short boy? Wabnul mudarrisul jadidu. Wabnul mudarrisil jadidi. Because if Ibnul Mudarrisi, this is Mudaf and Mudaf ilayh, and it will be majroor, it will take kasra. So Naat will also be majroor. Wabnul Mudarrisi, the teacher's son, he is the son of new teacher. Wabnu, he is the son, al Mudarrisu, of the teacher, al Jadid, new. He is the son of new teacher. So his translation will be, he is the son of new teacher. And this is exercise. Ain al mudarrisu. Ain al mudarrisu. There is the jadid. So you have to write here the proper. It will be jadidun or al jadid. So al mudarrisu, this is a definite. We will use here the definite sifar or definite adjective. It will be ain al mudarrisul jadidu. We will put alif lam before the jadid. It will be al jadidu. So like this, you will do all the lesson. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask me later. And this is only reading. الطالب الذي خرج من الفصل الآن من Indonesia. So this is the use of the allazi that we have learned. And you have to read it. This Baitun Jadidun, this is not Manut. And these are the new words we have learned in this lesson. So for our lesson for today is end of. Inshallah, next week we will meet with the new lesson. You have any question? Any of you have any question? I think nobody have any question. Even you have any question, you can WhatsApp me I can help you in WhatsApp also or Telegram. So we end our class here for today. Inshallah, we will meet on Thursday with new lesson. So nobody is raising hand, so I think it's okay for everyone. So إلى اللقاء.